smart key moments. Physical key? Not for me. Use your iPhone to unlock, lock, and start your BMW with the optional Comfort Access and the BMW Digital Key Plus. This even works without taking out your iPhone. Thanks to ultra-wideband technology, you don't even need an internet connection. For the setup, you need both physical keys in the car. Do not press the Start-Stop button. Open the My BMW app with your linked vehicle. Go to Set Up Digital Key. Confirm that you have both keys with you and follow the steps. That's it. Setup complete. You will get a notification on your iPhone as well as in the car. The key will be added to your Apple Wallet automatically. You can also add your digital key to your Apple Watch directly after the pairing process. You can now enter and start your BMW with your iPhone or Apple Watch. In proximity of your BMW, use the remote functions in the wallet or even more controls in the My BMW app, like opening the trunk, the windows, or parking in and out from the outside with the press of a button. If your iPhone runs out of battery, simply hold it to the door handle to unlock or lock your BMW. Place it in the wireless charging tray to start your BMW. Make sure your BMW ID is linked to your BMW Digital Key for automatic activation of your BMW ID profile in the vehicle. Check out our other how-to videos about sharing the BMW Digital Key Plus and setting up the BMW Digital Key Plus for Android.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?